selling dance music compilation of all time. Was the de rigueur thing to have.
The Annual was the first biggest selling compilation album, but sold, I believe, 1 million compilation albums, which was absolutely incredible.
And even those records that arguably weren't the big smashes off the Annual are still remembered historically as being some of the most important bits of music of their time.
The one that did it, they really just thought, right, this people are into this. So the boy George Pete Tolman, right, on the first big Annual, so just flew off the shelf.
Not just the big one in the Ministry context, but the biggest selling dance album of all time, and so proud to have been associated with it.
It's alright.
It just encompasses such an amazing time of London clubbing.
You know, it became a sort of statement of British culture. Absolutely had to be there.
The Ministry of Sound to the electronic music scene and the club community, it's our Royal Opera House.
Do you know, I think, obviously it's our roots, and there's such a long period of time when we were listening to orchestrated music.
When you're a DJ, you stand in front of an audience, especially when you play the sort of music I do, you almost want constant crowd energy. The fact that you've got a string section playing together, a horn section playing together, do their thing, got to allow the orchestra to breathe, and that's a big part of what we're attempting to do.
Could be the biggest show.